This is the H2 Grand Prix Pro 2025. 7 days of events, 6 days of racing. Teams from all over the world have qualified to be here and are competing to become world champions in their category. Sprint race series, prototype, stock, hybrid, and the girls in STEM who will become world champions.
Resilience, definitely resilience. Seeing that your car is not rolling when everyone is racing, when you're 20 turns behind is not easy, and having to, as team captain, so having to keep your team together as well was a big challenge.
Everyone has different ideas, but when you find people that are open-minded, it helps us to learn more skills.
Opportunity for young people to really kind of see what they could become and see how they can get involved with this as early as in secondary school and university, and really get passionate about this industry, which is booming across Europe and across the world.
Was just finding a way where we can all talk and collaborate and have our own opinion and voices while still like leaving room and respect for each other. And it's difficult when you're working 9 hours a day in a hotel room and you're getting way too comfortable with each other, right? But I think we found a good way to work through it, and it obviously paid off.
What do we do? Oh, underneath. I need to flip the car. Yeah, put the car down.
That's it, stick it to the Chileans, we're going to beat this one. Come on, Kingsley, could you have faith and Furious 1 and 2 with just 20 seconds left?
I'm just like overwhelmed with emotions right now, and I'm proud of my team that we kept going.
Good job, guys. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is it.
I'm like really emotional, like amazing.
I don't have words. It's absolutely awesome. Thank you very much.